Welcome to my channel. See how I'm a panic.
Here got a nice Chevrolet. This is the problem I'm having. I ran into my garage yesterday. Now I kind of fixed it a little bit. Still not working, but this whole thing was broken completely. So this relay decided to give up, and this is for the pump. The pump is down here. Since this car cannot provide vacuum enough for the brake booster, it has a separate pump right here. This relay goes right here. So I start testing everything out right now, and this is what I find out, that this relay, when you move it here, the pump turns on. So I ordered one, but it's gonna take like 6 days to come. So I'm gonna see if I can just solder this one to see if I can make it work again. But yeah, if you're having a really hard pedal like a rock, if your pedal is real hard, that's your problem right there. Your brake pump is not working. Let me turn this off. All right, so that's how we're looking. Man, they made some beautiful cars back in the days. Beautiful. Look at that. All right, so I think it's ready. Doesn't look broken now. I gotta go try it out. Yeah, this one got numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5. Oh yeah, it's on now. It's working. You hear that? I guess I can use that until I get the new relay. Woo! Found the problem. All right, if you have that problem, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.